May appetite pa ba for, kasi isa pang inaabangan in February,
February
ano
7.
bang pag-lapse ng 1 year, no, sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte? You think there's still appetite among your colleagues na ituloy yung impeachment ulitin?
But I think the more important question is ano na ho yung nangyari sa Korte Suprema? Kasi syempre there's a motion for reconsideration na medyo matagal na ho inaantay, no?
Yeah.
Ng lahat ng mga kababayan po natin. So hopefully, pagpasok po ng Fed, na-resolve na po yan. Kasi syempre, I don't think we would want to talk about any impeachment moves at this point kung hindi ho ma-resolve pa muna ng Korte Suprema yung pong motion for reconsideration po na ito. But syempre, hindi naman ho natin na mautusan po yung Korte Suprema sa bagay po na ito. But so, I guess as soon as we reach Feb, on that date, kung pwede na hong mag-restart no, na impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte. So siguro mag-uusap-usap po muli yung mga miyembro po ng Kongreso, civil society, kung ano po yung gagawin po nila. Kasi I don't think nagbago naman po yung mga batayan ng impeachment. Ang nagbago lang po talaga yung pong mga bagong rekisito ng Korte Suprema para po mag-impeach. No? So we will see how it will go. So, I think kung wala akong MR, I think Congress will still do what it has done in the past. No, kasi syempre hindi pa ho doctrinal yung pong MR, yung decision po on that case, no. But assuming for example na the MR is not favorable to the House, syempre talagang we are supposed to commit to implement that particular new doctrine on the impeachment.